Good morning, dear student. Yesterday we have discussed about change in quantity supplied and the change in supply. In change in supply, we know that price remains constant and due to other factor, due to change in other factor, the supply of the commodity changes. Now, in this lesson, what are these other factor we are going to discuss in detail. These other things are number first in change in price of other commodity. Now, if we see the quantity supplied of a given commodity depends not only its price but also on the prices of other goods. Increase in decrease in price of other commodity, shift in the original supply of a given commodity. Now you can see the two effects here. The first part of it, if increase in price of other good, when the prices of other goods rises, then production of such other goods becomes more profitable in compared to the given commodity. If there are a x and y commodity, if price of x changes increases, then the x becomes more profitable in compare of y. As a result, the supply of x increased and the supply of y falls. So now in this we are taking the price of x and the supply for y. Remember, if the price increases, supply falls from OQ to OQ1 at the same price OP, it leads to leftward shift in the supply curve. That is the first graph. Second point, you will see decrease in price of the other commodity. Fall in price of other commodity makes production of the commodity more profitable and it increases its supply from OQ to OQ1. If the price is same constant and if the price of other commodity falls, then the producer will produce the same commodity, that is the X. So as a result, the supply will increase from OQ to OQ to OQ1, and as a result the supply curve shifted toward right hand side. Now another factor is change in price of factor of production. As you know that we have the three factors of production, that is land, labor and capital. Price of factor of production forms a major part of the cost. In the previous chapter we have discussed about the cost, and the cost is what the firm or producer pays to the factor of production. With a change, either it's increase or decrease, if amount payable to the factory input, supply curve of the commodity also changes, it also having the two part. If increase in price of factor of production. Now in a simple word I am going to make you understand that if labor, capital and land becomes expensive, or the producer have to give more money in compare of earlier, then the profit margin of the producer will come down. As a result, the firm will supply less unit of the commodity. So increase in price of factor of production leads to leftward shift here means fall in the quantity supplied by the firm and when price is constant. Again, second, decrease in price of factor of production. If land, labor and capital becomes cheaper than earlier, then the production cost for the producer comes down. So as a result, when the production cost is down, the profit margin will increase. Profit margin, so that's why the producer is producing. The producer's main objective is to gain more profit. So as a result, when the producer is getting more profit margin, the supplier will supply more unit of the commodity, as you can see in the graph. As you can see in the graph, uh, figure number 9.13. So this is the second part of change in price of factor of production. Now third point we having is change in state of technology. Now a producer uses two type of technique. Number first, advanced technique, or we can say that is the upgradation of technology, or we can say advanced technology, we can say modern technique as well. As if a producer uses upgradation, advanced or improved technology, it reduces the cost of the production because production becomes very fast, and as a result profit margin will increase. When the profit margin will increase, the supplier will supply more unit of the commodity, as you can see in the figure 9.14. Oppositely, if the producer uses backward, yeah, degraded, or we can say complex or outdated technique of production, now production cost becomes higher. If the production cost becomes higher, then it simply indicates that profit margin for the producer becomes less. So if the producer gets a less profit margin, then the firm will supply less unit of the commodity, because the firm's main objective is to earn the profit. Now another point number 4, we will discuss about fourth and last, that is change in taxation policy. Now government, either we have the three type of government you have studied in the junior classes as well. As first one is central government, second one is state government, that is Uttarakhand government, third one is local government. Remember my dear student, all three governments main source of income is the taxation, either to the producer, either to the consumer. So the government imposes taxes on the commodity as well as tax on the consumer. If now the first part, if the government out of any three government increases tax in the production of a commodity, then the profit margin of the commodity, rise in taxes increase the cost of production and reduces the profit margin. Again same thing happens here. Increase in tax, profit margin less profit margin means less supply, so supply curve will shift toward the left hand side. Again now it's opposite, and oppositely or inversely, if government is going to decrease the taxes in the commodity, now profit margin will be increased. Profit margin increase simply encourage the firm to supply more unit of the commodity. As you can see figure number 9.17, the supply curve will shift to the right hand side. These are the four factors. Now there are some factors why the supply curve shift toward the right. Number first, decrease in the price of other commodity, which we have discussed. Second, decrease in price of factor of production inputs, LKS. Advanced and improved technology, supply curve will shift toward the right. Favorable taxation policy or decrease in taxes, or goal of the sales maximization. If the firm do not want to, rather than earning profit, if the stock is to convert it into cash, then supply will be increased. Increase in number of firms, if there are only 2 firms earlier, now 100 firms, 100 firm will supply more than the 2 firms, supply will be increased. Expectation fall in the price in future, if there is going to there is a chance to fall in the price in near future, then the supplier will sell more because the price will fall in the future. And improvement in means of transportation and communication, if the producer uses means latest means of communication and transportation, he or she can reach to the wider market, so as a result supply will be more. Oppositely, these are the inverse, if the supply curve shifted leftward opposite of the first one, in increase in price of other goods. Earlier we have studied decrease, now increase in price of factor of production, supply will come to shift toward the left. Complex means difficult, and outdated means old technology, then production will be lethargic or slow, as a result cost will be increased, and supply will shift toward the left hand side. Yeah, increase in taxes, profit maximization goal of the firm, decrease in number of firms, earlier 100 firms over there, now reduced to 10, the supply will be reduced. And expectation of rise in the price in future, if there is a chances to increase in the price of petrol, the now the seller will sell, yeah, seller will supply less unit, because if he will sell the same unit in the future, he will get the more profit. And this poor means of transportation and communication, these were the points discussed today. Now in the next chapter, next class, we will discuss about the price elasticity of supply and its calculation, kind of price elasticity of supply or decrease you can say, and observations, and then we'll supply and the time period, and then this chapter will be finished. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.